Can't tell me what me now
Me tell them. Me tell them.
Alright, so this car done service. Today I'm supposed to pick it up. I'm about to call a cab and head out. So forward with me. Yeah, Virgonation, so these are the kind of taxis we take in Jamaica. Leather seats, as you can see. What again? I don't want to see the dashboard. You see all them something here? I saw them taxi man in Jamaica roll, them bossy.
Uber.
You get me I say? Uber, you know? Yeah. After me there, you see? I said, I'll call a cab. I'm gonna pick up this car. The man said, no way.
I know the artist car.
I said, I'm take the taxi man food in there.
Yeah. You know, it's a corona time, my boss. So you have to do a little juggling, you understand? I have the car park up there and you know, I'm on tour you know, so I don't know if we run like a Uber.
Yeah. Well, yeah. So I know we're now Virgonation. Pick up this car. Go up. Everything look good.
Everything's sorted out.
Everything's sorted out proper.
Yeah. Big ups to the Virgonation.
You see?
From the Omi Army, yeah?
Omi Army! So here, walk inside this place, yeah? I guarantee the Virgonation now see me now. Come now see myself. You see me, brother?
How was your Uber service, Mr. Virgo?
Yo, the Uber service was just totally amazing, my brother.
Or alpha water and mints and them something there.
The only sad part about them thing is once in a while it forward, you know? Hello, good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Sanitize.
Okay.
Alright.
Want to pick up your people?
Yeah. When I see me? I just see myself. See me there now? Now me I see myself.
Have a key to the waiting area and no one is at the steps.
Okay. So it's sanitizer one thing. And they don't know there, them say waiting, but them call this waiting area. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
So I'll go and wait. By the way, this is such a lovely waiting area. And we're looking at some expensive cars in the background, yeah? One time we used to get excited for the same thing, you know, but boy, nowadays, I don't know. But I love to see them. I love to see the good looking car. And people I'm going to use up the services here, you know. I have some tea and them something about the place, so. Make myself a spot of tea. You want tea, brother? Or you want water?
Water.
Hold on, let me make space here. You know, so I forget how to make tea now. I will call me in one place, so. Up there, no? This is good. Yeah, so that was a good one. I'll pick up the key now.
A few moments later.
Alright, Virgonation, it's time for truth. Now let's see how the whole thing sound, how it feel. As me say, it was like a squeak whenever I move the brake. So it's time to see what I got now. Alright. Feel good so far. Drive off. Reach at the gate. I'm supposed to get them something at the gate, so.
Hey, what's up?
Hello, how you doing, mommy?
Not too bad.
Thank you. No problem. I'm doing wonderful.
Are you okay?
Yep.
Family?
Yeah, man, all is well.
Yes.
Bless up. Yeah. Why? Come here, sweat. Jeez, AC. Need to turn up. I want to say, when I come drop off the car, and one time I say, oh, you know, so you should buy some gas. I'm never do it. Alright, no? Now it never makes sense to turn on the AC. Breeze out in a little bit. If you don't have much gas in your car, You know, in a sense, turn on the AC because the AC I got done the gas. I want to know if there's any truth to that because I don't believe in it. Or the AC if have something to do with the gas in your car. That don't make sense. Somebody can tell me in the comments. I want to know. I'll slow down a little bit now. Feels much better. Need a little bit more time, a day or so, and then you can say, alright, job well done. But so far, good so far. So I go home now, but actually I gonna end up with drop my virgin on me by the airport as well. So it's almost like another day in the life of the Virgos. As we mentioned, Liz is at home today with the girls. No, she enjoy her day off. Or I hope she's enjoying her day off. Spend some time with the girls and things. So I'm home now. You know, just I pick up the car, go drop my virgin at the airport.
A few moments later.
I don't know, if them kind of service can compare to the to the kind of service that we just get a while ago.
Hey, let me tell you, man.
No,
Hey, listen. Only thing I not get no mints and no water. I not get no mints and no water, but otherwise, nah, man.
Pull up and now.
Bro, I feel like a long time I not go for it.
Yo, brother.
Me feel
one year now, I'm just one
one solid year though.
One whole year.
Bro, respect and thanks, you know.
It's a word, brother, man.
I will shout you when I reach up.
See if travel on the gravel, brother.
On the gravel, brother.
No, I don't know where I want to go to again, man.
JetBlue?
No, I feel like the door lock off.
Oh, okay.
Quick.
Then, hey, I
That's
really
it.
top service this number. Could I walk from just right after today? So
No, brother. That's try outdo you. That's why we can outdo you.
I try to see if I can outdo me. Outside, but I can't go counter.
Yeah.
I got to keep counter. I'm park outside still, boss.
What them people are do?
I'm park outside.
Yes, I think that's through the door, man.
Alright, I'm good right there, so.
I think them
I
kind
can't go at the bag counter, brother.
Yeah, brother, that's a word, man.
Yes, bro.
Safe travel on the gravel.
See there?
Yeah, man.
Respect Virgonation. Out.
Alright, Virgonation. So we just drop off my virgin and I head back home, you know. Or we can't head back home. I have to forward home. Head back home. Yeah. Alright.
A few moments later.
Alright, Virgonation. So we're about to make a little supermarket run now. Waiting on Liz. Liz will drive the car and tell me how she feel. By the way, today I wear my shirt where I think I can never get down there, you know. You know what I mean? Yeah. Trust me. There's something about, you know, Kenya. Africa in general, but especially Kenya, I'm not telling a lie. And I will always will heap of love. Anytime we go Kenya, we always get a bag of things we carry home. You know? So today me a sport, man. I'm not remember how we can't figure out how. Upendo. Is that how it's pronounced? Somebody in the comments from Kenya can let me know. That's how it's pronounced. Upendo. Is it Upendo or Upendo? Yeah. That's the brand that I'm wearing today. Trust me. Feel nice. You know? Alright, so this is on our way now. Only if you go up on the road and left all the protection and...
I mean, who me go for protection for a while ago? Want who?
Don't let me tell the truth.
No, I want to tell the truth. Let me see if you're going to tell the truth. Who and who?
You want me to tell the truth?
Yeah.
The truth is, me and Liz drive out earlier.
A while ago.
I was there halfway.
We never the halfway.
3/4 way.
We never the 3/4 way. Literally just drive out.
Me say we there 3/4 way and Liz say, oh my god, left my face shield. Me say alright. That's alright.
No, me
oh my
mask
god,
and face
I don't have a
shield.
mask.
Remain
Wow.
too light unnecessarily.
Your fart gone home. Oh my god. Oh my god. I left my hand sanitizer. Unreal. Oh my gosh. So you have everything. It's unbelievable when we drive out, both of us, without mask or anything. I never realized. You know what I show you? So we can't wait for this world just free up back and can't dash with them mask.
But you know to say bad because if me not remember, you don't remember? You couldn't remind me like the one time I forget and I still have to remind myself. But this in the glove compartment.
Maybe I just rough.
Glove compartment remain.
Oh. Thought you said the side pocket compartment.
Yes, sir.
Is the middle right again?
What?
Because me I try to use one hand. You tell me no
I'm not
regulation.
surprised you do something like that. Sorry, but
What is?
set up my shield of faith. Protection. You know, I'm afraid I go a war without my armor.
You will wait for now.
So I head out now. There's nowhere already. Right? Might drop off.
Okay, once you have your armor, shield, sword, everything good. Alright, let's drive off. Whoa. Seatbelt. Not a good sign. Remember, how me teach you for driving now?
I'm good. Where is it?
I'm me teach you for driving. Alright?
Romian, right now if you told me license, take out me get my license before you. I must say when you're so 30 I get your license.
What? What me what?
So 30.
Virgonation.
Come me corona course here, Romian. You not feel like you can get your license now? And I was like, oh yeah. Yeah man, let me see how the process go.
You wish. Unreal.
We need to get gas.
Wish. Gas station first.
Yeah. I mean, I hope so I can't shut off one way before we reach the supermarket.
I know you tell me I can't feel.
It feels smooth, me not lie.
How the brake feel.
I'm telling you now. Feel good too. Nah, hear
Sharp.
the sound, yes.
At first, I see you that feel sharp a while ago, I say, yo, you never have to grab it, so.
It did feel sharp? I'm
Yeah.
sure so me slowly.
That means the how old brake this bad?
That one there's a question for yourself, babes.
I don't know nothing about carrying. Because them change the dispatch, so I guess that would have made the brake can hold better. No? Yes? We don't know?
Oh, my God, I got to add an idea. You don't see shots? Drop, high.
Nah, pre them man on the shots.
High.
You can't go and free.
Brother, I know.
Man, I work out, the man I show off for him, I work out. You do them things they find them?
Me,
Oh no.
not looking.
Just imagine a man there, me had a plan up and say, yo, you see how when me touch road it there.
Is it buying me gas?
You say, man, I'll walk up in a gas station, I wonder if him see you.
Are you buying me gas?
What?
Are you buying me gas?
I don't have the money, I'm broke.
Give me the mask. Oh God, babes.
Right on the windscreen?
No thanks. No thanks, no thanks. Thanks though.
That makes sense?
What?
You want me to wipe off the windscreen? No thanks. Thanks though.
My man has me have. What do you?
I'm on as if you have.
Good day. Morning.
Ah. Yeah. Temperature check. You see somebody move?
Yes.
I need no truck driver.
I better not flap myself. Michelle Schumacher.
You're right. I couldn't make it at all. We need to go.
Today I took out an additional mask for you to wear. Here you go.
What's wrong with this?
You're gonna have it on as well, but you're gonna put this on as well.
We can't do it.
Come on.
We can't only breathe on this one.
Come on, do
Please,
it.
we can't do it.
Try it.
Please.
Try it, and if you can't, then
Over it.
here, babes.
Please, me not
Try
doing
it,
that to
try it,
myself.
Try it.
A few moments later.
You must be mad. Me not doing this, Liz, though. We couldn't breathe out and go.
You feel away?
This.
So use this one then.
Before so-
This offer more protection.
I feel away, but.
Babes, you're coming like a baby. You're something there. You know, so you're coming like some bad fitness. What would I call
Oh
it now?
my god. This too thick.
Stop that, Ermin.
Why did that take me? Please give me that.
Remain, put on the cake and
You alone
then
go on there.
come
Me can't come. Me can't come. No, please.
Why you do this?
No, brother. Me never do that. Me never. I didn't mask. Me always aware.
No,
Either this or the blue
this
one.
as well.
Yeah, but
You have to wear
the one I
your
feel
protection.
extra thick now. Me hardly can
This
breathe.
is better. You see, me try to get to wear 2 masks and you don't want to do it, and make you one next option and you don't want to do it. You don't see any trouble? Come on. To be or not to be. And I must have never invite us to market with me, and you invite yourself, you know, because you're trying to prove say I know one time
Alright.
you come with me.
Go on. You alone. Go on in.
So you don't come, you invite yourself to come chill like here?
Yeah. Doesn't come.
You're joking, right?
Oh, it's a dread day today. I'm not telling you, Virgonation. Sun hot like fire. Yeah, move so fast, Liz.
Huh?
Yeah, move so fast. Come. Sanitize hand for me. Lisa get trolley or me I get trolley, what is? Is that trolley bar? That's our focus. Hmm?
Come on the side, brother.
You want me to push it?
You want to push it?
Yeah. I want to do something to the Virgonation.
But you have the camera.
No matter, I can push it. Alright, go on. You push.
First, come on to the way.
Go on, my friend.
We're no friends.
It look like you just,
I mean,
long
you know,
time
dragon
in the
fruit?
supermarket.
Come on, time. 1 second, let me take this out of the way.
Hello, sir.
Good morning.
Today's vlog is going to be a very Alright, Virgonation, so we end up at one different supermarket and now about to try and see if we can shop.
A few moments later.
Virgonation. We're back with another one. Can't tell me what me in the supermarket.
We tell them. Hey.
I don't think we never have the camera run. Not a problem.
Oh god. I like a thing going on a while ago, guys. And so basically when we are cash out, right? A brother at the front. I cash out too, but further down. And we don't know if my allergies are act up or what. But but there's a but. He starts sneezing non-stop. You best believe every single sneeze that come out, everybody
My cough,
I shuffle up in
my cough and sneeze.
no man, I never hear no cough.
Sneeze a cough, no man a cough.
Cough though?
I'm mostly cough.
Yo, I'll make every time he sneeze. Here, Romain. Let's keep calm. Keep calm. Hear me? Keep calm. We can't keep calm. Here, Romain. Liz. People can't sneeze again. Hear me? No.
Sad. That man good have been because allergies and them have work.
And you know what he did? The man ended up walk out of the supermarket.
Like his wife, like we just feel like his wife said, let's go.
Yes, go outside with that.
Let's go.
You can't take it unwanted attention.
I deal with everything. Oh gosh.
Okay.
What a world we live in.
Just wait.
People can't cough again.
No, you can't cough in a public, you cough at home. You cough at home.
Drive. Yeah, Virgonation, so we went to the supermarket, you know, let's get everything that you need to get. You know, a little vibe go on still, but we're not gonna make them steal
At the
joy.
previous one, it's good to specify.
Yeah.
We went to 2 supermarkets, not by choice. We had to leave the first one, but we're not gonna get into it.
Yeah, we're not gonna make them steal with joy.
As Romain and Chris would I say?
Exactly.
Sing a piece, man. Give me something.
Yo, you come like, what do you call it now?
A fan?
Yeah.
But I am a fan. I'm a whole AC too.
But Virgonation, don't let anybody steal joy. Life is too beautiful to make people take away the joy we have. You see how they drive out and feel nice today?
Yeah, and them just spoil it.
Yeah.
Like,
I tell you, man, they don't like something nice. But anyways, Liz love how her car feel now. She said the brake nice. And what again?
when I hear the sound
Not
when I sing the break.
yeah, she's not hearing that squeaking sound again. Thank you so much for watching. Is this the outro? Take that outro. You know, it's a outro
Babes,
special.
you can beat to them, man.
Yeah, the outro specialist. I said the broke vibe.
Them broke it a little bit, you know, so my thing a little bit different.
Okay, Virgonation, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Like a piece of a day, you know. Yeah. Stay tuned for the next video. Wipe your love. Go with God. Don't let anybody steal your joy. One love.